Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is August the 17th, 2020, and we're going to talk about Uber stock and to give you some ideas from the price chart as to why this particular product could be a sell. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then join us on our website, HueFinancial.com, because we're here to follow what the trap is trying to do with the value of these many stocks that's in the stock market. And we're giving it to you a very simplistic way of our jargon, of our speech, as well as our price chart. The market is not supposed to be confusing. The market is supposed to be something relatively easy to understand and to grasp. And that's what we're here to show you all. We're here to give you all a heads up as to what the market trapper is trying to do in relation to what direction he wants to take the market. So join us. Now, the last time we did our video in Uber stock, you can clearly tell was right here. June the 1st, 2020 was when we did our actual video for Uber stock. Now, at that particular time, let's see what the market was reflecting to us. The market was in the uptrend, right? So that's one indication that strength is apparent and it is there. And then on top of that, we continually saw some increases in higher prices. So we played that on June the 1st, 2020 to see higher price. Now go back and watch our video. It is in our Uber playlist to where we stated that TP was going to be around $38. And the next week, the market in Uber came and tagged out $38. So prior to the weakness to the downside, you should have tagged out at $38. So that was about 4.62% profitability. It's that simple. You got to be ahead of the market move in order to gain profits. That's it. So you will have to forecast where the market trap is trying to take these products. That's it. So now that's done and that's over with. We need to revamp and revise the price chart because there are some things on the horizon that I want to show you that is going to be crucial to the direction in which the trap is going to take the value of Uber stock. So let's get rid of this. And the first thing I wanted to show you that dispels to you and to me that the market in Uber is generally more weaker than it is giving us the strength is this week right here. Something changed on that particular week. This is where the market trapper flipped from showing us his interest in higher prices for Uber stock to one of lower prices. It's that simple. This is where the change occurred. I mean, it's a very widespread bar. And the second thing that I wanted to show you in relation to how weak the market in Uber stock really is, I want you to count how many bars the market in Uber stock tried to break above $34 since this spread occurred. How many weeks? 9 consecutive weeks. The market in Uber stock tried to break above $34, and I want you to tell me how many times did the market successfully close above $34 out of those 9 weeks? You don't see it. So that's the second thing that shows you that the market in Uber is not generating any strength at this particular moment. So 9 weeks is a very long time in the market to be trading, to be in the market, and to not show you any relation to market strength. That just gives you the magnitude of how weak the market really is. The last 2 weeks as well, you can see how the market in Uber is not giving us any strength. So what we need to do is make a determination, a forecast, a prediction to where the market support is going to be seen and reflected. And you can tell there's an area right there around $28. might be a little higher, $28.25 worth with hairs, right? But $28 is a logical area to see some market participation come in to try to uphold the value of Uber stock. Now, what I'm seeing when I zoom out on a weekly time frame is a very wide area of consolidational trading for Uber stock. The restriction area of that consolidation range has already been told to you, $34. 28, maybe even around $26 will be that support area for Uber. Monthly time frame in Uber, I do not want to talk about the monthly time frame in Uber, because this, even though we're at the midpoint in August, if we were to take a snapshot and to end, and like today was the last day in August, the market in Uber is extremely weak right now as a snapshot in Uber. The market trapper over the last 2 months, as I told you on a weekly time frame, tried to break above $34. Now, we still have 14 days left, so I cannot be too dependent on the actual weakness on the monthly time frame, but I'm here to tell you now that this definitely is reflecting weakness. So I just want to give you all that heads up on the monthly perspective too for the long term in Uber stock. Plain and simple. So this continues to reflect that the market in Uber is weak, and we're going to play that forecast. That's simple. All right. So we're going to play the weakness into the market in Uber. And let's go ahead and do this on the daily time frame. $34 restriction. And like I said, we're going to try to TP around $28.50 would be the area of TP. So it'll be about 6.5% into the market for Uber. And on the daily, $32. I'm going to bring it down just a tad for restriction, even though from a weekly time frame, restriction is coming in around $34. Okay. So this is it. Market in Uber is looking weak. $28.50 is where we're going to TP the market at. But I won't be surprised, based off looking at that monthly price chart, that Uber stock cannot come down to 26. So just give you all a heads up on that. But generally, the trap is telling me that the market is not that strong in Uber yet. So we're going to see how low he's going to take the market for support. Now for us, this is our forecast. Now we want you to give us your forecast about Uber. Where is it going to go? Is it going to go higher, lower? Give us a price point as well. Maintain our profitability. See you later.